The Laboratory of Fire Alarm Systems and Fire Automation is an accredited laboratory that verifies the reliability of fire detection and fire alarm systems. The products tested here determine the safety of building occupants. That is actually all of us. Fire detection sensors are the example of such products. Our specialists place them in a test room with a fire simulated with various materials and types of fuel. By this way, it can be verified whether the sensors used in a given detection system are sufficiently sensitive to a wide range of fires. Flame detectors are used in case of flammable liquids fires. In the laboratory, a specialized threshold activation test is performed. Another important examination is the high temperature resistance of the loudspeakers of voice alarm systems. It is unacceptable for the speaker line to break, for speaker components to detach from the structure, or for burning plastic to leak. One method of testing flammability consists in applying to the tested material a heated wire at a specified temperature. This allows determining the maximum temperature at which flaming combustion does not occur. The test results enable us to compare the material's tendencies to resist ignition, self-extinguish flames, and their ability to prevent or allow the spread of fire through dripping. The laboratory also conducts tests for compliance with commonly used IP protection ratings, informing the user under what conditions electronic products can be safely used. It verifies the tightness of the enclosure and the possibility of dust or water ingress. With the use of special climate chambers, we assess the resistance to weather conditions of all kinds of safety products, for example, emergency lighting fixtures. We invite you to cooperation.